Hello everyone, JohnnyThunderEAS&Weather here with your fire weather outlook for day 1. You'll excuse me, I still have a little hoarse in my throat. I'm still fighting something, so just bear with me here in the video. If I start to get congested, just bear with me. Anyway, we have a critical fire weather risk today that encompasses far southeastern Nevada, northern Arizona, southern and eastern Utah, far northwestern New Mexico, western Colorado, and south central Wyoming. Season today's critical fire weather risks today include St. George, Utah, Grand Junction, Colorado, Cedar City, Utah, Clifton, Colorado, and Rock Springs, Wyoming. Okay. We have an elevated fire weather risk today that covers southeastern Idaho, far northeastern Nevada, parts of Wyoming, parts of Utah, parts of Colorado, northwestern New Mexico, parts of Arizona, parts of Nevada, and parts of southeastern California. And finally, we have a chance areas in the brown circle are in a risk for dry thunderstorms today, isolated dry thunderstorms today in the brown circled area. Dry thunderstorms are thunder and lightning without rainfall because the air is dry and the rain evaporates before reaching the ground. So, henceforth, it's a dry thunderstorm. Again, with thunder and lightning, but no rain makes it because the air is dry and as a result, the rain evaporates. Any precipitation evaporates, really. So, yeah. Okay? And dry thunderstorms can cause a fire if lightning hits the ground. So, it can cause a fire and it can get out of control. Okay? So, anyway, synopsis. Critical fire weather conditions are expected from northern Arizona into eastern Utah, western Colorado, and southern Wyoming this afternoon. Early morning surface observations show southwesterly flow advecting hot and dry air out of the Mojave Desert and into the eastern Great Basin, Four Corners region. This will support another day of sub 10% relative humidity minimums from northern Arizona into Utah and western Colorado. Aloft, the passage of a mid-level trough axis will support strengthening flow over the Intermountain West as well as lead troughing across the Central High Plains. The result will be bolstered low-level flow across the Four Corners and Central Rockies, with most guidance suggesting that sustained winds between 20 to 25 miles per hour are likely. Deep mixing through peak heating will promote frequent wind gusts between 30 to 45 miles per hour, especially across the south central to eastern Utah, where ensemble guidance shows the strongest wind signal. Recent reports of active ongoing fires across Utah and Colorado confirm that receptive fuels are in place and will support the critical fire weather threat. Lift ahead of the passing trough axis will impinge on the northeastern fringe of a modest plume of recycled monsoonal moisture and support isolated thunderstorm development by late afternoon from eastern Arizona to southern Colorado. 0 RAOBs from across the southwest sampled steep mid-level lapse rates, deep dry boundary layers, and PWAT values on the order of 0.5 to 0.8 inches, which are all favorable for dry thunderstorms. While storm coverage is expected to be sparse, thunderstorms that do develop may pose a dry lightning threat over a region with 10-hour fuel moisture near 10% and ongoing moderate to severe drought. So, that is your day 1 fire weather outlook. So, anyway, stay safe in these areas today. Be prepared to evacuate on a moment's notice. So, please, immediately, if I were you, I would gather supplies immediately. I would put supplies together immediately, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, toiletries, a flashlight, a cell phone, phone chargers, linens, and extra batteries, and the battery-powered radio for your journey. Because you may need to be prepared. You may need to leave on a moment's notice if a fire suddenly develops in your area. Again, put those supplies together, immediately. So, anyway, also, avoid outdoor burning. Please avoid outdoor burning. And I know there's a few people who smoke. So please do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Whether or not they're lit, do not throw them on the ground. Because 1, that's littering. 2, even one little spark will set off a fire, and it can spread out of control. And before you dispose of the cigarette in the trash, make sure it's out too, because otherwise that's going to go up in flames too and spread quickly. So, stay safe today, and I will have my Day 2 fire weather outlook later today, and I will have my Day 1 severe weather outlook video very soon. Take care.